Hello YouTube. So this is a follow-up video to my Android car stereo summary. So I've had some questions about my steering wheel controls, and I'm going to go over that a little bit. So there seems to be a little bit of confusion about how to set up a long press versus a short press, and how to reassign buttons and that sort of thing. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do that. So if you go into settings, you will scroll down to steering wheel keys. So this shows all of the functions that are available that the deck can sort of interpret a steering wheel button press into an action. So you probably, obviously you can't see it, but I'm going to press the right middle button. I have a volume up and a volume down here on my right key, on my right hand side, and I also have a middle button. And so you'll see when I press each button, volume up, volume down, and the middle button, that they're mapped to the volume up, volume down, and the home key. Now I've also programmed a long press of that same button as a back button. So if I hold it, then you'll see that this back action activates, and then if I short press it, I get a home, volume up, volume down, and then if I hold it again, it's the back. So essentially that's what's happening, and to make that possible, I'm using the PAC-Audio steering wheel control interface to go from the Jeep CAN bus into just an analog input for, an analog output that goes into the deck SW1 key. So there's two wires on these. There's a steering wheel 1 and a steering wheel 2 wire, and I'm just using the steering wheel 1 wire, and the PAC-Audio interface is programmed to emulate Pioneer, I think. I can double check that, but anyway, there's a lot of options when you're setting up the CAN bus interface, and that's what worked for me. And here's my left buttons, by the way, and I've got the mode set up so I can just press the left button over here and it cycles through my inputs. So that's that. If you have any questions, leave me a note. Thanks.